Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Last episode you saw me introducing you to this PX, and as I mentioned, I will every now and then when I do something I will put it out there so you can see what's happening. I'm still waiting for my package from Zip. They're taking an awful long time to deliver, I can tell you that. It's been 1 week and they haven't picked my package together yet. So it's unbelievable. So if you want fast delivery of your items, order from Scooter Center. They're much better. Anyways, so for now I will start by removing these crash bars, removing some of this stuff, these foot pegs, this floorboard mat. Just some small things today, nothing big. This will never be used again. Because as you can see, when you have this on and it rains or you wash it wherever, it will come water here, stay underneath the mat, and then it will start to rust. It's no good. Don't use that. I think these crash bars are also extremely ugly. So we'll remove them. So as I mentioned in the last episode, I will not tear this down totally now. I will do that next winter because I want to be able to ride this summer. So I will do just some small updates that I can do every day and keep it in a running state. So when I get my package eventually, I will change the seat, I will change the tire because I need to change the tire because they're all dry. Maybe change the exhaust. I have a light flywheel on my shelf here. I'll put that in. You know, these things that you can do during a day and still keep it running. I have to change this one because, oh, you can see yourself, it goes in that pile. Oh. Can we get these off maybe? Why do you put these on? For those of you who have watched my channel for a long time, you know I like to have my bikes in a good and clean condition. So this is far beyond my comfort zone, having a bike looking like this. Let's see if we can get some of the old dirt off. This will of course be thoroughly cleaned eventually. This is as far as we're getting today, a little bit cleaner and a little bit lighter. So, to be continued.